Today I'm trying to fix my iCloud for Windows 10. They told me I need to update my iCloud, but when I go here and look for iCloud, it doesn't give me an option to update. So I'm going to try to uninstall iCloud. But when I went to Control Panel, Programs and Features, I noticed that there is no iCloud in here. And so this is new to me. I really rarely use the Microsoft Store over here. I don't really like using the Microsoft Store, even though it's safer, albeit safer. So on the bottom left, you can access your installed programs. It's called Library. So that's something I learned today. And from here, I can find iCloud. Again, it's not letting me update it, or I'm doing something wrong. There's iCloud again. So I'm gonna press the three dots, and I'm trying to figure out how to uninstall it. It is really wacky tack. So maybe I haven't learned how to uninstall it. So how do you uninstall this app? This is so frustrating. Today I figured out how to uninstall an app that was installed through Microsoft Store. I'm used to using the old Control Panel way for programs and features. In Microsoft Store, you can't uninstall it from over here. You have to do it through this method in this instructional over here. You can right click on the app from the settings page or something. Settings, app features, or you just press the start. Pressing the start on the top right over here, and then I'm gonna type in iCloud. Typing in iCloud. That's the thing I want to remove. So typing in the app name. So I don't have to go into settings, apps, features. I can just go from here and right click and then uninstall. But if I wanted to, I could go into settings. Let's go into settings. Let's try this. I'm already here. Typing in settings. So let's go into settings. And then I'll go into where's apps. It says settings and apps. There, apps. And then I can look for iCloud over here. There's a ton of apps. iCloud, and then I can uninstall. Super easy, right? I don't know. But the easier way is to click on the taskbar over here in the top right. Type in the app. My app is iCloud. Right click over here and uninstall. And that's it. I learn something new every day.